Welcome viewers, my name is Dwight. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Sea-Gull skeleton automatic watch. The reference is M182SK. Before we get into that, I'll do a wristwatch check. This is the Seiko SNKK27. It is my first automatic watch purchase. I'm very happy with it. I bought this watch because I clicked on a video on YouTube called Top 10 Best Value for Money Watches from $50 to $200. It is a video by TGV on his channel, The Urban Gentry. And I watched his video, and then about 20 or 30 more, and then a bunch of more videos from other people, and so now I like watches. This is my biggest purchase to date. I just picked this watch up this morning from the mail. I'm doing this video at least just for reference for myself, so I can see what it's like, how it was packaged and all that. I have not opened this yet, so I'm quite excited about it. What I would tell you next is I bought this from LongIslandWatch.com. The watch and the store were recommended by TGV, so I guess he's been a big influence on me. So let's get into it. Alright, looks like this is the invoice. And here's the watch. Some more paper. And that's about it. Pretty well packaged, I would think. So there's the reference number. Nice blue box. That's the Sea-Gull branding. Looks like we have the manual. Sea-Gull is a Chinese company. They've been making their own watches since, I suppose 1955. It looks like it's got, must have a manual for like all of their watches in here. Aha, 1955. So, Chinese on one side, English on the other. Good. And there's the watch. can get a closer view. Okay, let's see if we can pop it on the wrist. Okay, my first impression is very good. I guess the only thing, I wish they had done something a little bit more right there at the 12. A blue indice, maybe a little bit bigger one, but otherwise very nice. I have the strap on the very last hole. It let's see, I have about a 7 1/4 or a 7 1/2 inch wrist, so I'm not sure if the band is going to be quite tight enough. It's a little bit stiff right now. I imagine it will wear in. I have never worn a watch with a leather band before. All my other ones either have a metal bracelet or kind of a rubber or plastic resin band. So that's about it. This has been the unboxing of the Sea-Gull Skeleton Automatic Watch, reference M182SK. Thanks for watching.